Okay, well, let's have a look. Firstly, let's expand this. Okay, if you're like me, I'm lazy, so I don't want to just do shortcuts. I want to go the long way, or at least not lazy, rather safe, I guess. So this equals dx. Well, what's x squared times x squared is x4. Okay, then I've got x squared times negative root x is negative x squared multiplied by root x. This gives you negative x squared times root x, and then negative root x times negative root x is plus x. Okay, great. Now what does this come to? Dx of x4. Okay, there's two of these things, so it's minus 2x squared root x plus the x. Okay, good. So what does this come to? Dx of x4. Now careful with this, it's minus 2x squared. We can make x, the root x, x to the half plus the 1x there. Okay, so what does this come to? Dx is x4 minus 2. Now that's x to the, if the base is the same, we can add the exponents, giving us that, plus 1x. Okay, and then what does this give us? Equals dx x4. This is actually the same as 2 multiplied by x2. 2.5 is the same as 5 over 2 plus 1x. Okay, now let's work the derivative. Well, rule 1 says 4x cubed minus 2 multiplied by 5 over 2 x to the 5 over 2 minus 1, and then we just have plus 1 there. Okay, and that's great. Okay, now what we can then do is say, well, what is the answer going to be? Well, this equals 4x cubed. The 2's cancel, so you have minus 5. X to the 5 over 2 minus 1 gives you 3 over 2 plus the 1. And there you've got it, guys. Now, I hope you've learned something from first principles, the rules of differentiation, very important and wonderful marks in an exam. So master these techniques, and we'll be back for some more calculus soon.